morning, students. In previous video we are discussing about part D questions. In your question paper part D, that part D carries 5 mark. Now totally 10 questions. Out of 10 questions, attempt any 6 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. So question number 39 already over. Now today we will discuss question number 40, that is 5 mark question in part D. Now question number 40 belongs to under which topic? That is matrices, algebra of matrices. Okay, now let us discuss one by one. That is most important and very interesting and easiest problem. Now here question number 40, that is algebra of matrices. The question like this, 5 mark question. If A is a matrix of order 2 cross 2, B is also matrix of order 2 cross 2, C is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Now the question, calculate AC, BC and A plus B into C. Also verify that A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Okay, now here to find one by one. Now first to find out AC matrix. AC matrix is equal to A matrix 1 2 2 1 into C matrix is again 1 1 2 3. Now multiplication of these two matrices. How to multiply? Multiply row by column. Correct tag multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So multiply row by column. First row by first column. 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 2 4. Okay. Then first row by second column. 1 into 1 1, 2 into 3 6. Then take second row by first column. 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 2 2. Then take second row by second column. 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 3 3. Okay, that is equal to 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 6 7, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 3 5. This is AC matrix. Next to find BC matrix. Now BC is equal to, now again B is the matrix 2 0 1 3 into C matrix 1 1 2 3. Then multiplication of these two matrices, that is equal to multiply row by column. First row by first column, 2 into 1 2 plus 0 into 2 0. First row by second column, 2 into 1 2, 0 into 3 plus 0. Second row by first column, 1 into 1 1, 3 into 2 plus 6. Second row by second column, 1 into 1 1, 3 into 3 plus 9. That is equal to 2 plus 0 2, again 2 plus 0 2, 1 plus 6 7, here 10. This is BC matrix. Okay, next to find A plus B into C. A plus B into C is equal to A plus B, adding the corresponding elements of these two matrices. Corresponding element 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 3 4. This is A plus B matrix into C matrix 1 1 2 3. Then multiply those two matrices. Multiply row by column, that is equal to first row by first column 3 into 1 3, 2 2s are 4. First row by second column 3 into 1 3, 2 3s are 6. Second row by first column 3 into 1 3, 4 2s are 8. Second row by second column 3 into 1 3, 4 3s are 12. That is equal to 3 plus 4 7, 6 plus 3 9, 3 plus 8 11, 12 plus 3 15. This is A plus B into C matrix. Then also verify that A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Now here this is LHS A plus B into C. Call it as equation 1. Then to find RHS, AC plus BC. RHS AC plus BC is equal to, you know AC matrix. What is AC matrix? 5 7 4 5 plus BC matrix. ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, BC matrix is 2, 2, 7, 10. This is BC matrix. Now clearly these two matrices having same order, adding the corresponding elements, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 4 plus 7, 11, 5 plus 10, 15. Call it as equation. Observe it in LHS 7, 9, 11, 15, RHS first row 7, 9, 11, 15. Are they equal? Yes. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that we conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. That is A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. 5 mark question, students. Correct ಆಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎ ಸಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ರೋ ಬೈ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ರೋ ಬೈ ರೋ ಬೈ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 5 mark. Okay, problem again, question number 40, another type of problem, 5 mark. If A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3, B be a matrix of order 3 cross 3, C is also matrix of order 3 cross 3, then compute A plus B, B minus C, and also verify that A plus of B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Okay, now here again, first to find out A plus B matrix. Now A plus B, definition of addition of two matrix, adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B. 1 plus 3, 4, 2 minus 1, 1, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1, minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. Next, 5 plus 4, 9, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 5, 7. Third line, 1 plus 2, 3, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1, 1 plus 3, 4. This is A plus B matrix. Okay, then to find B minus C matrix, B minus C, B matrix, C matrix, subtracting the corresponding elements. Now 3 minus 4 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, subtract. 2 minus 2, 0. Second line, 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 5 minus 2 plus 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 0 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 3 minus 3, 0. This is B minus C matrix. A plus B matrix 1 mark, B minus C matrix 1 mark. Okay. And also verify that A plus of B minus C. Take LHS. A plus of B minus C is equal to, what is A matrix? 1, 2, minus 3, first row. Second row, 5, 0, 2. Third row, 1, minus 1, 1. This is A matrix. Plus B minus C matrix. Minus 1, minus 2, 0. Second row, 4, minus 1, 3. Third row, 1, 2, 0. Okay. In between these two, operation is addition, adding the corresponding elements. 1 plus of minus 1, 0. 2 plus of minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. Second line, 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus of minus 1, minus 1. 2 plus 3, 5. Third line, 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 0, 1. This is LHS. Okay. Similarly, to find RHS. RHS ಏನಿದೆ? RHS is equal to A plus B minus C is equal to. What is A plus B? A plus B matrix 4, 1, minus 1. And here second row 9, 2, 7. Third row 3, minus 1, 4. Minus C matrix 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1 minus 2, 3. Clearly these two matrices having same order. Subtracting the corresponding elements, correct subtract ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. Okay. Second row, 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 7 minus 2, 5. Third line, 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. This is RHS. Observe equation 1 and 2. Are they same? Yes. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that we conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. That is, what is LHS? That is A plus of B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. That is 5 marks. Simple ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎಡಿಷನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 40th, sub question 3. If A, B, C are three matrices, A is a matrix of order 3 rows, 3 columns. B is a matrix of order 3 rows, 3 columns. C is a matrix of order 3 rows, 1 column. Then compute means to find AC, BC and A plus B into C. Also verify that A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Now here first to find AC matrix. How to multiply? Now observe clearly, observe it. Now here A is the matrix AC. A matrix 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7 minus 8, 0. This is A matrix. Into C matrix 2, minus 2, 3. Now this is 3 row, 3 column. This is 3 row, 1 column. After multiplication, it is a matrix of order 3 vanish. 3 rows, 1 column. 3 row ಬರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Column 1, but 3 rows. How to multiply? Row by column. First row by first column. First column. 0 into 2, 0. Plus 6 into minus 2, minus 12. Plus 7 into 3, 21. First row over. How many rows? 3 rows. Second row by first column. Minus 6 into 2, minus 12. 0 into minus 2, 0. 8 into 3, 8 3s are plus 24. Second row over. Take third row by first column. 7 into 2, 14. Minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16. 0 into 3, 0. Okay. So that is equal to minus 12 plus 21, how much? That is 9. Minus 12 plus 24 plus 12. 14 plus 16, that is 30. Correct? This is 3 row, 1 column. This is AC matrix. Similarly, to find BC matrix, BC is equal to, B ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 3 row, 3 column, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, okay, 1, 2, 0. This is B matrix. Into C matrix, 2, minus 2, 3. Again, this is 3 cross 3, that is 3 row, 1 column. After multiplication, it is a matrix of order 3 rows, 1 column. So 3 row ಬರಬೇಕು, only 1 column. How to multiply? Operate, multiply row by column. 0 into 2, 0. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 1 into 3 plus 3. Okay. Take second row by first column. 1 into 2, 2. 0 into minus 2, 0. 2 into 3 plus 6. Take third row by first column. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 0 into 3, 0. That is equal to minus 2 plus 3, 1. 2 plus 6, 8. 2 minus 4, minus 2. This is 3 row, 1 column. That is the matrix BC. Also verify that, and one more, A plus B into C. Now take LHS A plus B into C matrix. A plus B, adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B. ಇವೆರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 + 0 0, 6 + 1 7, 7 + 1 8. First row over. Next second row -6 + 1 -5, 0 + 0 0, 8 + 2 10. Okay. Then third row 7 + 1 8, -8 + 2 -6, 0 + 0 0. This is A plus B. Into C matrix 2 -2 3. Then again multiplication of these two matrix. This is 3 row 3 column. This is 3 row 1 column. After multiplication it is a matrix of order 3 rows 1 column. 3 row ಬರಬೇಕು 1 column ಇರಬೇಕು. Multiply row by column. 0 into 2 0, 7 into -2 -4, 8 into 3 8 3s are 24. First row over. Take second row -5 into 2 -10, 0 into -2 -0, 10 into 3 30. Second row over. Take third row by first column. 8 into 2 16, -6 into -2 +12, 0 into 3 0. Simplify. -4 + 24, that is 20. -10 + 30 20. Correct? Then 16 + 12, that is 28. A plus B 0 7 8, -6 + 1 -5, 0 + 0 8 + 2 10, 7 + 1 8, -8 + 2 -6. Okay. C matrix 2 -2 3. Multiply row by column, that is 0 into 2 0, 7 into -2, that is -14, 8 into 3 + 24. Second line -5 into 2 -10, 0 into -2 0, 10 into 3 30, 8 into 2 16, -6 into -2 +12, 0 into 3 0, -14 + 24, how much? 10. Correct? -10 + 30 20, 16 + 12 28, 10 20 28. Correct? This is LHS. Then take RHS. AC plus BC is equal to, you know the matrix AC. Matrix AC is 9 12 30 plus matrix BC 1 8 -2. Clearly these two matrices having same order. This is 3 row 1 column, that is also 3 row 1 column. Both the matrices having same order. By definition of addition of two matrix, adding the corresponding elements, 9 + 1 10, 12 + 8 20, 30 plus of -2, that is 28. Equation 2. Right? Observe it, equation 1 and 2 are the same? Yes. Therefore, from 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, it follows that LHS is equal to RHS, that is A plus B into C. A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. 5 marks students. Practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ, most important. They may be asked in final exam. Okay. Problem number 4 in main question number 40, that is algebra of matrices. That is also important. 5 mark. If A is the matrix of order 3 cross 3, namely 1 2 3 first row, second row 3 -2 1, third row 4 2 1, then show that A cube minus 23A minus 40I is equal to 0, where I is the identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. Because the given matrix of order 3 cross 3, take I is the unit matrix of order 3 cross 3. It depends upon the given data. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 3 cross 3 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ್ದು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು? 3 cross 3 ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 2 cross 2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ take I is the unit matrix of order 2 cross 2. It depends upon the given data. Okay. Now here show that A cube minus 23A minus 40I is equal to 0. Now first to find a cube. Now before solving a cube, first to find a square. How to write a square? A square can be written as a into a. Baribodala? Okay. Now what is a matrix? 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. Into same matrix. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. Okay. Now multiply row by column. This is 3 cross 3. That is also 3 cross 3. After multiplication, it is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. First row by first column. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 4, 12. Then again first row by second column. 1 into 2. Second column. This is second column. 2 into minus 2. Minus 4. 3 into 2. Plus 6. Then first row by third column, because after multiplication it is a matrix of order 3 rows 3 columns. We got 3 rows and 3 columns. Now here third row by first column, 4 into 3, 12. Okay, 2 into 1 plus 2, 1 into 1 plus 1. First row over. Similarly take second row by first column, second row by second column, second row by third column. Okay, 3 into 1, 3, minus 2 into 3, minus 6. 1 into 4 plus 4. Take second row by second column. 3 into 2, 6. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 1 into 2 plus 2. Okay. Second row by third column. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 1 into 1 plus 1. Then take third row by first column. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 1 into 4 plus 4. Then third row by second column, 4 into 2, 8, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 1 into 2 plus 2. Then third row by third column, 4 into 3, 12, 2 into 1 plus 2, 1 into 1 plus 1. Okay. Then adding 1 by 1, 1 plus 6, 7 plus 12, 19, 2 minus 4 minus 2, minus 2 plus 6 plus 4, right? 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. 3 minus 6 minus 3 plus 4, 1. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12. 9 minus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14. 8 minus 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. This is a square. Now to find a cube can be written as a square into a. A square matrix 19, 4, 15, 1, 12, 8, 14, 6, 15 into A matrix. A matrix is 1, 2, 3. First row 1, 2, 3. Second row 3 minus 2, 1. Third row 4, 2, 1. Okay. Then multiplication of these two matrices. Again multiply row by column. This is 3 cross 3 matrix. That is also 3 cross 3. After multiplication, it is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. 3 rows, 3 columns. Now multiply. Now that is equal to first row by first column. 19 into 1, 19. Okay. 4 into 3 plus 12. 15 into 4, 15 4s are 60. Then first row by second column, 19 2s are 19 into 2, 38. Then 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 15 into 2, 30. Then first row by third column, 19 3s are 57. 4 into 1 plus 4. 15 into 1 plus 15. Then take second row by first column. 1 into 1, 1 plus 12 into 3, 36. 8 into 4, 8 4s are 32. Second row by second column. 1 into 2, 2. 12 into minus 2, minus 24. 8 into 2, 8 2s are 16. Second row by third column. 1 into 3, 3. 12 into 1, 12. 8 into 1 plus 8. Second row over. Then take third row by first column. 14 into 1, 14. 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18. 15 into 4, 60. Then third row by second column, 14 into 2, 28. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. 15 into 2, 30. Third row by third column, 14 into 3, 14 3s are 42. 6 into 1 plus 6. 15 into 1 plus 15 is equal to, simplify, 19 plus 12, that is 31. 31 plus 60, 91. Correct? 11, 3. Okay. 38 minus 8, 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 57 plus 4, 61. 61 plus 15, 76. Next line. 1 plus 36, 37. 37 plus 32, 69. 2 minus 24 minus 22. Minus 22 plus 16. That is minus 6. Correct? Okay. 3 plus 12, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 14 plus 18, 32. Plus 60, 92. 28 minus 12, 16. 16 plus 30, 46. 42 plus 6, 48. 48 plus 15, 53, 63. This is a cube. Now take LHS. To prove that, ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? a cube minus 23a minus 40i is equal to 0. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ a ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಟೇಕ್ LHS a cube minus 23a minus 40i to prove RHS. 0 matrix denoted by 0. Substituting the matrices. A cube matrix 91, 60, 76, 69, minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63. This is A cube matrix. Okay. Minus 23 A matrix. A matrix ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ? A is the matrix 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1. This is A matrix. Minus 40i. I means identity matrix of order 3 cross 3, because the given matrix of order 3 cross 3. Take I is the identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 is equal to 91, 60, 76, 69, minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63. Minus, by scalar multiplication, multiply each element by 23. 23 into 1, 23. 23 2s are 46. 23 3s are 69. Then 23 3s are 69. 23 2s are minus 46. 23 into 1, 23. Next, 23 4s are, that is 92. 23 2s are 46. 23 into 1, 23. Minus, again by scalar multiplication, multiply each element by 40. 40 0 0 0 40 0 0 0 40. Okay, observe it. All the matrices having the same order. This is 3 cross 3. This is also 3 cross 3 matrix. That is also 3 cross 3 matrix. So all the matrices having same order, by subtracting the corresponding elements. By subtracting the corresponding elements. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 91 minus corresponding element 23 minus corresponding element is 40. Next, 60 minus corresponding element 46 minus how much? 0. 60 minus 46. Now here make, that is some result mistake. Nodri, A cube correct bandidena? That is 19 plus 12. 19 ones are 19, 4 3s are 12. Then 15 4s are 60. 19 2s are 38, right? Here small mistake, that is first row by third column, 1 into 3 3, 2 into 1 2, 3 into 3 3, 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 8. Now here after simplification, a cube 19 plus 12, that is 31, 31 plus 32 63, and here 38 minus 8 30, 30 plus 16, that is 46, 57 plus 4 61, 61 plus 8 69. Okay, and here second one as it is, that is 69 minus 6 23, correct? 14 plus 18 plus 60, that is 92, 46 63. Now here LHS, a cube minus 23a minus 40i is equal to a cube, here 63, then here 46, okay, then this is 69. Second row clear, that is 69 minus 6 23, 92, 46 63, minus 23 to that matrix, minus 40 into I matrix. Now here 63, 46, 69, okay, this is as it is. Then subtracting the corresponding elements. Now here 63 minus 23 minus 40. Next number 46 minus 46 minus 0. Then corresponding number 69 minus 69 minus 0. Then second line 69 minus 69 minus 0. Minus 6 minus into minus plus 46 minus 40. Then 23 minus 23 minus 0. Third line 92 minus 92 minus 0. Then 46 minus 46 minus 0. Then last corresponding number 63 minus 23 minus 40. Right? Simplify. 63 minus 23, 40 minus 40, 0. 46 minus 46, 0. Here 0. Right? 69 minus 69, 0. Minus 6 plus 46 plus 40 minus 40, 0. This is 0. Third line 0, 0, 0. All the elements are 0. That is known as 0 matrix, denoted by 0. That is equal to RHS. 5 mark. Nodri, a square solve ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ 1 mark, a cube 1 mark. Then LHS ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ 1 mark, 3 mark ಆಯ್ತಾ. Then subtracting the corresponding elements ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ 1 mark. Then conclusion 0 matrix denoted by 0, that is 1 mark. Totally 5 mark. Okay, correct ಆಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. Clear students? Now the question, A is the matrix of order 3 cross 3. Show that a cube minus 23a minus 40i is equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, one more question. A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0. Now here to find a square, then after that to find a cube. Now here a square is equal to, a square can be written as a into a. Howda? So a matrix 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. This is a matrix. Into again a matrix 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. Then multiply these two. Multiply row by column. Correct tag multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Row by column. 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 2 into 2 4. Then take first row by second column. 1 into 0 0, 0 into 2 0, 2 into 0 0. First row by third column. 1 into 2 2 plus 0 into 1 0, 2 into 3 plus 6. Second row by first column. 0 into 1 0, 2 into 0 0, 1 into 2 plus 2. Second row by second column, 0 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4, 1 into 0 0. Second row by third column, 0 into 2 0, 2 into 1 plus 2, 1 into 3 plus 3. Then take third row by first column, 2 into 1 2, 0 into 0 0, 3 into 2 6. Third row by second column, 2 into 0 0, 0 into 2 0, 3 into 0 0. Third row by third column, 2 into 2 4, 0 into 1 0, 3 into 3 plus 9. Okay, then simplify. 1 plus 4 5, here 0, this is 8, here 2, 4, 3 plus 2 5, here 8, 0, 13. This is A square matrix. Okay, then to find A cube, now A cube is equal to, A cube can be written as A square into A. Baribodala? Okay. Now what is A square matrix? 5 0 8 2 4 5 8 0 13 into A matrix, given matrix 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. This is A matrix. Then again multiply those two matrices, multiply row by column, that equals first row by first column, 5 into 1 5, 0 into 0 0, 8 into 2 16. First row by second column, 5 into 0 0, 0 into 2 0, 8 into 0 0. Then first row by third column, 5 into 2 10, 0 into 1 0, 8 into 3 24. Okay. Then second row by first column, 2 into 1 2, 4 into 0 0, 5 into 2 plus 10. Second row by second column, 2 into 0 0, 4 into 2 8, 5 into 0 0. Second row by third column, 2 into 2 4 plus 4 into 1 4 plus 5 into 3 15. Take third row by first column, 8 into 1 8, 0 into 0 0, 13 2s are 26. Third row by second column, 8 into 0 0, 0 into 2 0, 13 into 0 0. Third row by third column, 8 into 2 16, 0 into 1 0 plus 13 3s are 39. Okay. So A cube is equal to A cube matrix is equal to, yes, adding the values, 5 plus 16 21, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 10 plus 24 34, 2 plus 10 12, 8 plus 0 8, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 15 23, 26 plus 8 34. Okay. Then 0 plus 0 0, 16 plus 39, that is 55. Correct? Huh? 15? Yes, 55. Now take LHS. A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I is equal to, substituting the matrices. A cube 21 0 34. Second row 12 8 23. Third row 34 0 55. This is A cube. Minus 6A square. A square matrix enide 5 0 8. Second row 2 4 5. Third row 8 0 13. Plus 7A matrix. Given matrix 1 0 2, 0 2 1, 2 0 3. This is A matrix. Plus 2I, identity matrix 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. Okay. Then further simplify. 21 0 34. Second row 12 8 23. Third row 34 0 55. Minus. By scalar multiplication, multiply each element by 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 into 0 0. 6 4s are 48. Correct? Huh? Okay. Then 34 minus 48, that is minus, okay. Then 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 8s are 48, 6 into 0 0, 13 6s are 78. Again by scalar multiplication, 7 into 1 7, 7 into 0 0, 7 2s are 14, 0 14 7, 14 0, 7 3s are 21, plus again by scalar multiplication 2 0 0, 0 2 0, 0 0 2. So all the matrices having the same order, by subtract and adding the corresponding elements. Nodri 21 corresponding element minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. Okay. Next 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next element 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. Next line 12 minus 12 plus 0 plus 0. 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus 2. 23 minus 30 plus 7 plus 0. 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 55 minus 78 plus 21 plus 2. Right? Then simplify. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 21 minus 39, minus 9 plus 7 minus 2 plus 2 0, this is 0. 34 plus 14 48, 48 minus 48 0, 12 minus 12 0, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 8 24 minus 24 0. Okay, 23 plus 7 30 minus 30 0, 34 plus 14 48 minus 48 0, this is 0. 55 plus 21, 76 plus 2 78 minus 78 0. So all the elements are 0, that is known as 0 matrix denoted by 0, that is equal to RHS. Correct ಆಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ a square find out ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟು, ನಂತರ a cube find out ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, then substituting those two values in LHS go on simplify till you get 0 matrix denoted by 0, that is 5 mark. Okay, question number 40, again algebra of matrices. Very simple problem, 5 mark question. If A is the matrix of order, sixth one, A is a matrix of order, how many rows? 3 rows. How many column? Only 1 column. It is a 3 row 1 column matrix. B is a matrix of order, how many rows? 1 row. How many column? 3 column. Then verify that transpose of AB is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. Okay. Now we are first to find out AB matrix. AB matrix. Nodri, idu A is a matrix of order 3 cross 1 ide. B is a matrix of order 1 cross 3 ide. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 vanish. The order of the matrix is 3 rows 3 columns. 3 row 3 column ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. First row by first column, minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Okay, first column over. Then take second column, first row by second column, minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Second column over. First row by third column, minus 2 into minus 6 12. Then takes first row over, take second row by first column, 4 into 1 4, 4 into 3 12, 4 into minus 6 minus 24. Right? Third row by first column, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 3 15, 5 into minus 6 minus 30. Simple multiplication. This is 3 cross 3 matrix. Then verify that transpose of AB. Now LHS, transpose of AB, you know the definition of transpose. Transpose means by interchanging the rows and columns. Row dallidanta elements anna column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್? minus 2 minus 6 12. Write in first column minus 2 minus 6 12. Second row 4 12 minus 24, write in second column. Correct? Third row 5 15 minus 30, write in third column. 5 15 minus 30. This is LHS AB dash. Then to find RHS B dash A dash. B is a matrix 1 3 minus 6, that is 1 row 3 column. Its transpose interchange enagutte 3 cross 1, that is 1 3 minus 6. A is a matrix of order 3 cross 1. Its transpose, now 3 cross 1 is transpose tondre enagutte 1 cross 3 andre ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is 1 row 3 column minus 2 4 5. Then again multiply same type. ಹೇಗೆ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, multiply row by column, first row by first column. 1 into minus 2 minus 2, 1 into 4 4, 1 into 5 5. Then second row by first column minus 3 into 2 minus 6, 3 into 4 12, 3 into 5 15. Third row by first column minus 6 into minus 2 12, minus 6 into 4 minus 24, minus 6 into 5 minus 30. This is RHS. Observe it. From 1 and 2 are they same? Yes, clearly both are same. Therefore, from 1 and 2, it follows that we conclude that transpose of AB is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. Similarly, one more problem, same type. A is a matrix. Order of the matrix is 3 row 1 column 0 1 2. Same type. B be a matrix of order. This is 3 row 1 column. B be a matrix of order 1 row 3 column. 1 row is a 3 column. Now again verify that transpose of AB is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. Now to find AB matrix. AB again after multiplication of those two matrices, it is a matrix of order 3 rows 3 columns 3 cross 3. How to multiply? Row by column 0 into 1 0. Okay, first column over, take second column, 0 into second column 5, that is 0, 0 into 7 0. First row over, take second row by first column, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 5 5, 1 into 7 7, right? Third row by first column, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 5 10, 2 into 7 14. This is AB matrix. Therefore, LHS AB dash is equal to, means transpose of that matrix by interchanging the rows and columns. First row the elements in a column 0 0 0, 1 5 7, 2 10 14. This is AB dash. Equation 1. Then take RHS. RHS B dash A dash. B matrix ಏನಿದೆ 1 row 3 column matrix ಇದೆ. Its transpose ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು 3 row 1 column 1 5 7. A matrix 3 row 1 column ಇದೆ. Its transpose 1 row 3 column 0 1 2, 1 row 3 column. Again multiply those two matrix row by column 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2 2, then 5 into 0 0, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 7 into 0 7, sorry 0, 7 into 1 7, 7 2s are 14. Simple problem. Equation 2. Observe madi, are they equal? Yes. Therefore, from 1 and 2, it follows that, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that transpose of AB is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. So these are the important problems in your question paper, that is question number 40. That question number 40 belongs to under algebra of matrices. You must practice all these problems. Out of these problems, they may be asked anyone in final exam, 100%. in your question paper part D question number 40th question ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದವ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೀಡ್, ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ 2-3 times ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ question number 41 belongs to again determinants. Which topic? Determinants, that is matrix method. Okay, we will discuss next class. Okay students, thank you.